Hi everyone, today I'm going to review this book, The Ballad of Songbirds and Snakes by Suzanne Collins. It's the prequel from The Hunger Games. I really enjoyed this book. I thought it was really good. It tells a story of how the Hunger Games evolved. And I really enjoyed it. I'm not going to give any spoilers away. I'll let you know when I give spoilers away, so you can turn off and read the book or whatever. I really enjoyed it. I thought the book was well written. Once you started, you really couldn't stop. It always, once you got to the end of a chapter, it always drew you through to the next. You just have to keep going. Yeah, I think it really went in with the other Hunger Games, the other Hunger Games books, and was really showed a history of Pan Am and all the District 12 as well. My wife's had a few questions about font size and things. The font size in this book is 2mm. I measured it. This book you can get in Asda's at the moment for £10. It's a hardback, and it's usually 18 or 19 or something online. So that's good. But there is one thing. You can experience this book for free if you go online and download Audible and sign up for their membership. You get one free book, so you can download Audible on your phone or tablet or whatever, and do that. And then you can get, this is online at the moment, so you can get that for free, and then just cancel the membership after you've downloaded it. Yeah, so that's a really good way of doing it. And also, if you're a Prime member, you get 2 free books. So you get that and another book of your choosing. So that's a really good idea. So we're going to get into some spoilers now, so if you haven't read it, come back after you've read it or listened to it. And yeah. I really enjoyed this book because it showed the story of President Snow. At the beginning I was thinking, oh, he's alright, but then by the end you were thinking, this bloke's an arse. And just by his choices, you know he was turning into the President Snow, you know. I think Dr. Gore was horrible woman, making all the mutts and things like that. But the book, I was obviously Lucy Greybed was one of the main characters, and some of the like reading in the arena when she is surrounded by snakes and singing to the snakes was I thought it was really good, really well written. It was really good, and I think it ties in well. I think, I mean, you really get to. President Snow's really poor, but he still lived in the capital. But you can see where he gets the roses from his grandmother, and where he's obviously stopped the cannibalism in the games, because as soon as the kids die, they get airlifted away, and where Dr. Gall is just infecting him really with. And also at the end you see where he starts the poisoning of everyone he hates, basically. Yeah, and I thought that was really good. But the main thing was Lucy Gray. I think a lot of people think that she's an ancestor of Katniss, but I really don't think so. I really think it was Maud Ivory, because obviously she remembers all the songs, like the Hanging Tree. I mean, no, you singing in District 12 was banned after the game, so only she would know the Hanging Tree song. And you know, I mean, I'd love to see his face when he heard that, when Katniss sung it on the advert. I think Maud Ivory is probably the great grandmother of Katniss, because just of her Katniss's dad's knowledge of the hut where near the lake. Obviously, the word Katniss, I mean, it was made up by Lucy Gray. And just a few things from the book, you realise that they're very similar and things like that. I mean, and it also shows why President Snow hates Katniss so much. I mean, the uprising in 8 had already happened before, had already started anyway, before the games had finished. So, I mean, he hates Mockingjays, and obviously he's heard the word Katniss before, and obviously she comes from 12, and I mean, there's just a number of things where he obviously hates her. He really hates her. So I think this book really ties in, and I think it was really good, really worth reading. And if you want to hear the songs, if you go on YouTube and type in the Ballad of Songbirds and Snake songs, there's a lady on there called Maya Wayne, and her songs are really good. They're amazing, and the Valley song is my favourite. It's really good. So yeah, if you can either download it on Audible freebies or buy it, and it's really good, worth a read. Okay, thanks a lot. Bye.